All right, calling all the smart people of the internet. Now, I want to know something, guys and girls. So I've got this little 12-volt motor here. So obviously it's got the black wire, which is the negative, the red wire here, which is the positive. So I was just curious, can I connect it to one of these little female little, I guess, adapters or connections from eBay, and then run the appropriate or a lower voltage adapter like this into it? So it's got one of these little connections into it here, if people can see that. So I'm just curious if it'll just basically go plug and play basically like that, or will that not work? So yeah, that's basically all I want to know. So if anyone could leave a comment down below and tell me if that's safe, or how I would actually wire something like this up, that would be muchly appreciated. So that's it, guys. So all I need to know is, can I just put a little adapter on here and then plug and play with one of these little wall mount adapters here, or would that not work? And is it safe? Like, I'm not going to leave this thing running overnight. I'm going to be unplugging it and plugging it in, but will this thing like blow up, or straight away I connect it, will it make a bunch of sparks, or will it just run fine using the appropriate voltage for this, which I think this is about 12 volts. This has an output of 10 volts and 500 milliamps, which I don't know if that's good or not. It seems to be okay. So if anyone could help me out, that'd be much appreciated, and then I can basically get the homemade little dust collector on its way. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope to hear from someone.